Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at a crossroad. After 8 years of being a day trader and 3 years here on social media, I've trained thousands of you on the markets and how to trade the markets till today with a chat room that's constantly growing. The time has come where we make a very important decision that just doesn't benefit me, but it benefits the rest of you guys and everybody else on the chat room. The decision has to be made because now we're at a crossroad. And I'm telling you this because you cannot see it for yourself. As an experienced trader, I can tell you today with confidence, it does not make sense to day trade like we day trade anymore. Because the stars are now aligning for the swing traders and the investors, and the buyers that will enter the markets will have more money made than a day trader. So it just doesn't make sense financially, time-wise, to sit in front of the computer and day trade all day. Because I'm a hypocrite. I'll tell you today, guys, I say I only trade 30 minutes to an hour a day. That's a lie. I sit in front of the screen all day to a point where I actually get physically sick at night when I close the laptops after the markets are closed, because I'm so invested emotionally in what's going on and I have to time when to enter. I can tell you today with confidence, this is something that is below me now. I'm too big for that. Financially, as a person, I don't need to do that anymore. And I know some of you are day traders today and you're proud of it, and that's okay. Because that's what retail trading is. It is designed for people to go in with small money and look to make a lot of money, which only 3% to 4% do. While investing is almost 100% sure game. It's all about waiting and weathering the storm out. And the storm is now gone. Now we're at a crossroad as day traders. We have to make a decision. Which path do we take? Do we continue allowing the markets to consume our time and look to make that 100 to 200 to 300%? Or do we take our money, and so I'm talking to those people who have actual money, not those who come to the markets with $500 or $1,000. You know what you can do with that? You can go on a holiday and enjoy that money. Do not gamble it. Just take it from me. But those who have money, I'm talking to you. There is no point of entering the day trading field to try and make a lot of money when you can do it in this upcoming bull market, whether it's in the cryptos or the stock market. And here's why I'm telling you this. Now you're thinking, I don't want to make 1 to 2% trading Apple and Amazon. Who said anything about that? Every bull market, there's emerging markets that 10x, 100x, and 1000x. Every rally. Those are the markets that will make you rich. Just so you know, if you're already rich with 100 grand, you'll probably make $500,000 to $1 million on just 100 grand, just by buying and holding. And that's the direction we're entering now. And I said this 7 months ago, and here we are 30% off from what I said 7 months ago. So some of you made a lot of money if you're a great listener and if you're a follower of this channel. But I'm telling you now, as somebody who has trained thousands of traders, and I actually stand to make something out of it if I continue day trading, because I get to train a lot of you on day trading. But I'm telling you today, it just doesn't make sense financially anymore and time-wise to continuously day trade, to take small money and look to make a lot of money. A lot of new traders enter the markets and a lot of new mentors, but day trading is dead, guys. I can tell you this because it just doesn't I guess it doesn't make sense to short anymore because the opportunity to the downside is like this, okay? So there's no point of day trading the buy side when you could just buy the stock, wait and hold. But then we're talking about emerging markets here. Emerging markets always rally when there's a bull market. And how do I know it's a bull market? Well, as I said in the previous video, you're going to get inflation down, interest rates are coming down, and on top of that, quantitative easing will begin to start the economy one more time and to start generating growth. And the Feds will have to do that just like China did, and I explained that in the previous video, which I'll leave in the description. But I'm telling you today, guys, it is time to move in that direction of investing in emerging markets, diversifying portfolios, entering every market. Because if 2021 was the bull market, only those teens and mid-teens entered the markets. But this time around, because of the cost of living and people don't have any money, they're gonna go into the markets and look to make a lot of money. And I wanna be that guy to train them and guide them and put them on the right direction on something that is 100% guaranteed, rather than day trading, which has 5% success rate. I don't wanna take somebody and tell them, hey, you have 1,000, go here and maybe you'll make 2. No, only 5% success rate. I'm actually already invested in the markets, and I started entering the markets for the long term. Because I know in the next bull market, 1 or 2 emerging markets will 100 to 1000x. And they always do. Okay? And I'll be sharing that with you here on this channel. But take it from me when I tell you, it just doesn't make sense anymore to be a day trader. Okay? It just doesn't make sense. Time-wise and risk-wise. And I know some of you are constantly day trading till today, and maybe that's your risk tolerance. You don't want to hold stocks. That's fine, by the way. But I'm speaking to those who have a lot of money. If you have a lot of money, why day trade when the market is actually just on the uprise? Okay, and we have to adapt with that. If it's just on the uprise, what are we doing? Buying today, selling tomorrow, and then buying again. It just doesn't make sense, guys. So it makes sense to just hold and swing. And we can identify the trades and the ideas based on my strategy that I showed you here in previous videos, where you do an Excel sheet and you just map out where the reversal will be and where the buy point will be. And a lot of you are having a great success doing that. So this will not change anything on my channel, by the way. I'll always be there every day, because me being there ensures I don't miss an opportunity. And I'm already trading the high cap stocks, and I will make a lot of money. I will make the same amounts of money I make day trading just being as a swing trader or an investor, because the market is just up. And every dip is gonna have a buyer. And we're only just starting, guys. So if you're seeing this and you're making, all these, you're thinking, oh, the market's gonna crash. Listen, you should have been there a year ago when people were saying the market is about to crash. It's too late, right? The fear is faded, it's gone. Now we're on to the next step of reversing the downtrend. And people are coming back from holidays, people are coming back after being destroyed by the economy because they don't have any money, and suddenly they will have some money because inflation is down, the interest rates will come down, now they have money to invest. What do you think is going to happen? Mayhem. That's what's going to happen. That is my fair warning to you guys. I'll see you very soon. I appreciate you for watching, but this is why I'm cutting down or stopping day trading, guys. And I might come back, I get bored sometimes, but my bread and butter will come from investing for the long term, and I'm investing in emerging markets. I want to know in the comments if you want videos to show you my portfolio and my positions and my ideas every week maybe, or every 2 days. We'll see, you decide. But I'm looking to share this with you guys because this is what we're going to do. We're going to grow this channel towards the stock market and long-term trading, whether it's swing trading or whatnot. And I'm actually entering the crypto world as well. But if you want to make money, baby, you gotta listen, right? You gotta listen. I'm the one wearing the Rolex. I'm the one with the Marina view, not some tutorial guy on YouTube. Bye.